Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the major indexes here, starting off with the S&P 500, working our way through the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, as well as the IWM Russell 2000. And I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas here on these individual ETFs that we're going to be covering. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, give us a visit on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with your free 7-day trial. That's right, it's absolutely free to sign up for the first 7 days, and once you do so, you're going to see exactly why our members give us such rave reviews. Once you sign up with that membership, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade ideas that our current members are enjoying on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading. Alright, so let's take a look at the charts here. The first one is the S&P 500. Overall, I just want to point out, overall, if we're looking at the longer term chart here, it's very bullish, okay? Very bullish. So what I'm talking about here is in the very short term for the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 has been in a downtrend since the 19th of June, so almost a month. We've been in a downtrend, just lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, right there. We're also below the 20-period simple moving average, which is, to me, the near-term trend indicator. So we're below the 20-period simple moving average. The 10-period simple moving average, which is this red line, is disconnected from that 20-period simple moving average. We had that cross right here. You can see that, where the 10-period simple moving average crossed below the 20. So we've got some work to do. The bulls have some work to do before we can really get uber bullish again on the market. So obviously we've got a lot of leading stocks leading. As far as the general market is concerned, we've got a little bit of work to do to break out of this little downtrend. So below us we've got big time support. Based off of this previous resistance, you can see how many times it got rejected at that point. That point is right around 2400. So if we do get a dip into that range, more than likely we're going to get a bounce. Now we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. That Dow Jones, you can see, is trading a lot tighter here than the S&P 500. So it's high and tight, just trading sideways for a long time. Usually when that happens, you get a pretty big move out of this range. So I can just draw this little range for you right here. Here's that range. You can just see that trading sideways for about, what is that, a month now. We've been trading sideways on the Dow Jones. So I'm expecting a pretty decent move out of this range. We just don't know in which direction yet. Indicators are pointing down. Usually they like to give hints as to which way it's going to break out. So the indicators are pointing down. RSI is just hanging out below the 50 line. So also we've got the 10-period simple moving average that crossed below the 20-period simple moving average just yesterday. It really crossed below that right there. You can see that right there. The blue line is above the red line. So the next one we're going to take a look at is the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ had a really nice bounce off of this support, and this is a nice long signal. We pointed out to you guys on the free videos, so congrats if you followed along. Right now we're just making nice trends up. We had a first close over that 20-period simple moving average, that blue line that I talked about before, so that's positive. We've got a small gap here that we may want to fill, so look for that. if we do end up seeing lower prices, we've still got major support at about 61.10. So 61.10, you can see we bounced here, there, here, here, all around that 61.10 area. So pay attention to that main level. And then on the upside, we've got resistance at 63.08. Right there's a touch. Here, here, right around that 63.08, 63.09 area. Next, we're going to take a look at the IWM chart, and got a couple levels here. We had this trend line that started back here in May, got a bounce here, 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 here. Finally, we broke that trend line, and to me, this angle is pretty steep, and I wouldn't expect it to hold that level or that angle for forever. So to me, what I'm saying, the reason I'm saying that is because I'm not going all in short just because of that trend line break. But it is just something to keep in mind that if we do break this support, this is the kind of the make or break support level that I want to be pointing out. I'm just going to make it easier for you guys to see right about there. So we got bounces here, there, here, here, and just the last session got a bounce there. You can see we're trading sideways here for about over a month on the IWM, and usually when you get sideways trading like this, the move outside of it is going to be a pretty big move. So right now it's leaning downward just because we broke that trend line and we're below the 10 and 20 period simple moving average, but this is still support and it hasn't broken yet. So in my opinion, really got to wait for that break to signal a short trade. On the upside, and this can easily break to the upside, but if we break to the upside and break that 142 and close over 142, we're going to see a really nice breakout out to all-time highs on the IWM Russell 2000. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I appreciate it as always. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Now remember, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are enjoying on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity. We'd love to help you with your trading.